Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle sum of a quadrilateral worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the quadrilateral, and we're going to do some problems where we require some knowledge about the quadrilateral, which will enable us to solve each and every problem. Now there is a video on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. You'll be directed to click on that link. It'll take you to the lesson and it will explain very clearly how to do each and every one of these examples. So what we have to do is find the unknown pronumeral in each of the following examples. So for the first one we have to find m. So this is a quadrilateral. It's a four-sided figure. It has straight sides. It's a plane shape, and there are four angles. Now if we know the rule, if we remember the rule from the lesson, or we know it, we can form an equation which helps us to find the value of m. So if you're not sure what the rule is, just go to the last slide and click on the lesson. Number 2, find x. It's exactly the same. Those four angles there, because that is a quadrilateral, we're just told it's a quadrilateral, they will add up to a certain number. So we form an equation and we can find the unknown angle. Number 3, exactly the same, except it's a little bit tricky because here we have 2x degrees, so 2x. But the principles are the same. Form an equation using those four angles there and then solve for x. So when you solve for x, whatever the value of x is, the value of this angle will be twice that amount. And the last one is a very, very interesting one. It's a little bit more challenging, but again the same rule applies. Here we have 5x plus 3. 127, 10x plus 7, and 88. Form an equation using each of those four angles, and then collect like terms and go through the procedure that you know about solving equations, and that will get you to the value of x. Once you find x, the value of that angle will be 5 times x, and then you add 3. And the value of this angle will be 10 times x, and you add 7. So this video has presented a worksheet where we can practice doing some problems relating to the four angles of a quadrilateral. And as I said before, if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is the link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it explains how to do all the examples.